Safety is at the center of every decision at the City University of New York. To ensure that all faculty, staff, and students remain safeguarded, no one will be allowed to enter a CUNY building without first undergoing a health screening through the Everbridge app. The simple Symptom Checker can be accessed from your mobile phone every day before entering a CUNY building. To initiate the one-time setup of the Everbridge app, navigate to the App Store on your phone and search for Everbridge. Download, install, and open the Everbridge app. Click Find an Organization or Subscription button on the Everbridge splash page. Search for CUNY and select the CUNY Health Screening option. Do not choose NY Alert. You will then be taken to the CUNY Web Applications login page. Log in using your CUNY login credentials. Set your notification preferences and click the Done button. Once the Everbridge app is set up, you will complete the daily symptom checker every day prior to arriving at CUNY. Within the Everbridge app, click the shield icon in the bottom right corner. If you do not see the shield icon, restart the app. Click the symptom checker icon. Go through the questionnaire, answer the questions, and click Submit. You will receive a notification of a new message in your feed within a few minutes. Your token will be available to you within your Everbridge feed. Open and present it to the screener when you're entering your CUNY location. The symptom checker results in either a green token approved to come in or a red token not approved to come in, and you'll be required to show your results to the screeners at your CUNY location upon entry. This is the safest and most effective way to safeguard the entire university community when returning to CUNY colleges and offices. In situations where a smartphone with an Everbridge app is not available, the questionnaire is accessible via a daily email or via an in-person kiosk at the CUNY location. This one-time opt-in process is available for those with and without a CUNY login. If you have a CUNY login, go to the Everbridge member portal and sign in with your credentials. In the absence of a CUNY login, inform your CUNY campus that you would like to receive daily health screenings via email by checking the college website for the link or email address. You will receive an email with the subject line Member Portal Registration Invitation from CUNY. Click the registration link inside the email. In addition to the daily health screening, occupancy limits will be applied and enforced in all campus spaces. Employees are also required to complete the New York State COVID-19 response return to work training before returning on site. The 12-minute training video, which is housed on Blackboard, provides valuable information about the mandatory daily staff screening program, who should be tested and where to get a test, daily work requirements such as social distancing, cleaning, sanitizing, elevator protocol, face coverings, and personal hygiene, as well as mental health information and resources. CUNY is ready and putting your safety first.